Hey besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Deja Majel. Today we have a blonde wig from Yolissa Hair. All the information will be down below, products, links, everything will be down below, so check that out. I'm starting off with cutting off my ear tabs. And once I'm done cutting off my ear tabs, I'm gonna get my hot comb and comb all the hair back. I like to comb all the hair back because I don't want any flyaways getting on the glue when I put the glue down. That gets really annoying and I hate trying to get those little fine pieces of hair off the glue. When I normally apply my wigs, I like to use 4 layers of glue, but this time around I only use 2 layers of glue. I have a lot of wigs to get through. I like to get my boho active and put it along the hairline. I use a thin layer. I know it don't really look like a thin layer, but it's not a lot. I like to get my blow dryer on the cool setting and dry it clear. Drying it clear before you apply another layer is very important, because in the beginning stages of my wig journey, I didn't let it dry clear and I would just put the lace on top and then white would come through. It got so annoying. So like, I know what to do now. It just really takes practice. I hope you guys are patient with yourself because it takes practice. I can't talk. One day I'll figure it out. Keep blow drying it on the cool setting and then put your lace down on it. And when you put your lace down, you can get your comb to press it in and use the cool setting again while you're pressing it. Okay? You can always go back and add glue to the edges. I like to make sure that I put my lace a little bit over where I position the glue. That way I have enough room to cut and add. I don't want to be wiping off glue. Now, when I tell y'all this is the most important thing when you're applying your wigs, the elastic band. Get you an elastic band and put it on your head, okay? And leave it on there as long as you can, if we're being honest. This really helps the lace and glue melt into each other. I'm telling you, if you skip this part and you just go straight into cutting the lace and going about your day, it's not gonna give scalp and then you're gonna be mad at me, okay? This changed my life. I had to put it down for a quick second so I can get this part correct because it was making me mad. I use wax so I can help get my hair flat with the hot comb. You can get this wax at the beauty supply store or Amazon. I'll put a link in the description so you guys can get some.
Oh, bro, what you do?
We're gonna get into cutting the bangs. Grab a section of your hair for your bangs. You don't want it to be too thin and you don't want it to be too thick. What you're gonna do next is see where you want your shortest piece to be. I always cut a little below my nose. Remember, when you're cutting it at a diagonal angle elevated. Don't be scared because I'm gonna walk you through it. Where my hands are when I'm resting is where they should be when I raise the hair. This is how you know where to start cutting. When you see me raising the hair and pull it back a little, that's over direction. You gotta over direct the hair so you can get the layers to fall perfectly. You see my hand slip down a little bit. I'm gonna comb it back out and put it to where I want my shortest piece to be. Once I find it again, I'm gonna get my shears and slide my scissors down at an angle. When you're sliding the scissors down at an angle, you don't want to stay in one spot too long or you're gonna end up cutting too much hair off. The best thing you can do is get a razor, okay? I didn't have one. After I cut that section, I get another mini section and cut just a tad bit above my nose. And boom. That's it, y'all. The rest of the video I'll pop in and out, but it's really nothing to explain. I'm gonna end up curling my hair and combing it out. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. And I'll see you in the end.
I wish I could call you up, miss how you'd put your love on me. Why you got my number? Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me. You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal. pain and some passion. Nothing is ever enough. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll fall love again, yeah, yeah. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again, yeah. Oh, yeah.
You don't even say what's up. Round your bush, wax so tough. Like you never been in love. If you don't quit acting up, along this way, you don't enough. I promise. You may think that I'm crazy. You should ask her about me. Put your trust in me, baby.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you put your love on me.
Boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
Hold on until the end. Hold on till you can't extend. I'll be clinging on to you. I'll be clinging on to you.
And then begin again, orbiting around and then circle back around to you. Coming back around to you. I'm coming back around and
Even on your worst day, love you in the worst way. Circling around for eternity. Going through the motions, you're turning me eternally.
drifting on my own again. Reaching out to hold your hand. I wanna be alone with you. Can I be alone? Can I be alone with you? If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again. Love again.
Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that?
In the trenches, relax. Can you not put that little boy in the clothes? 'Cause we do not listen to rap. Me in Atlanta, how about her wig? You telling me say it's the death. Pointed the nigga who act like a killer, but you only one from the neck. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you gon' get stripped. Bring Drake to the hood. Surround Drake, round Drake. Even though I got the cake, but do what it takes.
And I never been embraced. And the money's hard to make. So I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not how it went. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out the wrist and forgot about the bit. Now they just call me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they want dead it. Heart is still beating, my niggas still eat it. Like you the little like the garden they eat it. Pillows so bitter, spilling the tea. And Shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last. Down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby.
This is it for the video. This is what the wig ended up looking like. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned something. If you learned something, leave a like. Come on now, don't be stingy. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'm vibing with the wig lady. Until next time, bye.